Picture this. You're driving late at night, miles from town. Suddenly, your car sputters and dies. Maybe it's a dead battery, maybe a flat tire, or maybe a storm has closed the road. You check your phone, no signal. Temperatures are dropping. The kids in the back seat are getting scared. This is the moment when your car emergency kit makes all the difference. Today, we're going to break down 15 car survival essentials that every driver should carry. I'll show you not just what to pack, but why it matters, how to use it, mistakes to avoid, and even which budget versus premium options to consider. By the end, you'll have the blueprint for a kit that could keep you and your family safe in a roadside emergency, a breakdown, or even a disaster. I'll post links in the description to some of the items covered. These are affiliate links, meaning at no additional cost to you, I may earn a commission if you purchase through them. This helps support the channel. I will never suggest a product or company that I wouldn't trust in my own go bag. Category 1. Safety and visibility. 1. Roadside reflectors and flares. Why it matters. Breakdowns at night are dangerous. If drivers can't see you, they can't avoid you. Reflective triangles or road flares alert oncoming traffic. In 2023, more than 28,000 traffic crashes occurred on the shoulder of the road, with nearly 600 resulting in fatalities. Budget Exul Triple Warning Triangle Emergency. Warning Triangle Reflector Safety Triangle Kit, suitable for roadside emergencies, 3-pack. Premium Orion Safety Flares. These burn bright in rain or snow. How to use. Place one 10 feet behind your car, one at 50 feet, and one at 100 feet. This gives drivers time to react. Mistake to avoid. Relying only on hazard lights. If your battery dies, your car goes dark. 2. High visibility vest. Why it matters. If you need to walk around your car, you must be visible, especially on highways or in bad weather. Tip: store it in your door pocket for instant access. Keep an extra child-size vest if you have kids. 3. Flashlight and headlamp. Why it matters. A flashlight is your eyes at night. Flashlight. Phoenix PD35 Tactical. Ultra bright, durable. Headlamp. Black Diamond Spot 400. Hands-free, essential for fixing a tire. Uses changing a flat, signaling for help, or navigating in the dark. Pro tip: pack spare lithium batteries. They last longer in extreme temps. Mistake to avoid. Draining your phone battery by using it as a flashlight. Category 2. First aid and health. 4th. First aid kit. Why it matters. Even small injuries matter if you're stranded. The only option I consider for all of my medical needs is Refuge Medical. American made and managed right here in the USA, specifically from a small town in Oklahoma. The best quality and value the market offers. And when it comes to yours or a loved one's life, why settle for anything less? These contain solutions to many potential scenarios: cuts, burns, headaches, fevers. Pro tip: add your family's prescriptions, kids' meds, and over-the-counter meds geared towards your specific needs. Mistakes you must avoid. Buying a cheap kit full of Band-Aids but missing real medical gear. 5. Emergency blanket or sleeping bag. Why it matters. Cars cool down fast in winter. Hypothermia can set in within hours. Budget Mylar Space blankets. Keep several of these. Premium SOL Emergency Bivy. Reusable, stronger. Children lose heat faster. Keep extra blankets for them. 6. Hand warmers and gloves. Why it matters. Numb hands can't change a tire or fix a cable. Tip: store disposable hand warmers. They're cheap, last year's, and work instantly. During the 2021 Texas freeze, many stranded drivers stayed warm thanks to hand warmers. Category 3: food and water. 7. Water supply and filter. Why it matters. Even a few hours without water can cause dehydration. Options to consider: store sealed bottles out of direct sunlight in your trunk. Rotate these every 6 months. Plastic degrades. For longer emergencies, add a Sawyer mini filter. Pro tip: stainless steel bottles can double as boiling containers over a fire. You cannot use double-walled insulated Yeti-style bottles. Mistake to avoid: leaving plastic bottles in extreme heat, toxins can leach into the water. 8. Emergency food. Must-have options include protein bars, jerky, trail mix, Daytrex rations, pack snacks kids will actually eat. Familiar foods reduce stress. I like to buy a selection of different snacks and have try challenges with my kids. This makes the process fun and encourages kids to be open-minded. Mistake to avoid: packing chocolate or foods that melt in summer heat, and please rotate these every 6 months like you would your water. You don't want to find out on the side of the road that your emergency rations went bad or were compromised. Category 4: tools and recovery. 9. Multi-tool or hatchet. Why it matters. Versatility. A decent multi-tool increases your effectiveness in many scenarios. Multi-tool: Leatherman Wave Plus. Repairs, cutting, pliers. After a snowstorm, drivers trapped in their cars used hatchets to gather wood for roadside fires. Mistake: choosing cheap folding hatchets that snap under pressure. 10. Jumper cables. Jump starter. Budget heavy-duty jumper cables. Toppy DC4, gauge 20 feet. Jumper cables for car, SUV, and trucks battery. Heavy-duty automotive booster cables for jump-starting dead or weak batteries with carry bag. Premium NOCO Boost Jump Starter. Compact, works without another car. Pro tip: learn how to use them now. Don't wait until you're stranded. Mistake: carrying thin, cheap jumper cables that melt or fail. 11. Tire kit and inflator. Why it matters. Flat tires are the #1 roadside problem. Kit: plug kit for small punctures. CTR heavy-duty tire plug kit, 68 pieces all-in-one universal tire repair kit with plugs, professional tools for tubeless tire flats for cars, truck, RV, SUV, ATV, motorcycle, tractor, trailer, compressor, compact 12-volt air inflator, R8 tire inflator, portable air compressor, D-side 12-volt air compressor portable with large dual digital screen, 3x faster inflation air pump for car, bike, ball, motor, fixing a tire in 15 minutes versus waiting 3 hours for a tow truck. 12. Tow strap/recovery rope. What I use: Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap, 3 inches by 20 feet, 31,518 pounds, brake strength, emergency recovery strap. Tow rope for truck, UTV, ATV, and more. Heavy-duty towing strap for off-road 4x4 use. Why it matters. If stuck in snow, sand, or mud, you may need a pull. Tip: rated at least 3 times your vehicle's weight. Mistake: using rope or chain. They snap and become dangerous projectiles. 13th. Foldable shovel. Why it matters. Snow, mud, sand, dig yourself out. I like the Rhino USA folding survival shovel and pick, heavy-duty carbon steel military-style entrenching tool for off-road, camping, gardening, beach, digging dirt, sand, mud, and snow. Bonus uses: fire pit digging, latrine digging if stranded overnight. Pro tip: metal edges last longer than plastic. Category 5. Comfort and warmth. 14. Extra clothing and layers. What to pack: wool socks, hat, gloves, rain poncho. Tip: store in vacuum-sealed bags to save space and keep dry. Always carry extras for kids. They get colder faster. 15. Blanket or sleeping bag. Why it matters: even if help is on the way, it may take hours. Budget: wool blanket. My family has used this particular blanket on many camping trips, including our most recent trip to the Rocky Mountains in Colorado. Warm and a great feel. Not rough like most wool. Arcturus patterned wool blanket. Get cozy with twin, queen, and king bed sizes, machine washable. Great for bedroom, guest room, camping, or emergency use. Premium, compact down sleeping bag. Teton 20F and 5F degree sleeping bag. Lightweight, warm weather mummy sleeping bags for adults and kids. Camping, backpacking, hiking. Families stranded in blizzards survived the night by huddling under a blanket. Category 6. Communication and navigation. 16. Power bank for phones. Budget options are plentiful. I like the Mayati 2-pack 10,000 mAh dual USB portable charger, USB-C fast charging power bank, backup charger. Premium, Anchor Power Core 20,000 mAh. Pro tip: charge monthly, keep in glove box. Mistake: carrying dead power banks. 17. Portable radio. Why it matters: cell towers fail, radio doesn't. My top pick will always be a Midland NOAAER 210. Families trapped in Hurricane Katrina cars got updates only through portable radios. 18. Paper map. Why it matters: GPS fails in dead zones. Never solely rely on electronics. Pro tip: mark safe stops, gas stations, and hospitals along your route. Bonus essentials: window breaker / seatbelt cutter tool, Sinsin car safety hammer, set of 2 emergency escape tool auto car window glass hammer breaker, duct tape, notebook, and pen. Your car is more than transportation, it's a lifeline. With these 15 essentials, you turn a dangerous breakdown into a survivable situation. Don't wait until you're stranded to realize what you forgot. Build your kit today, keep it updated, and know how to use it. Which of these items do you already keep in your car? Comment below. Like and share this video so more people can be prepared. Subscribe for more survival guides every week.